Chasing Innovation is proud to announce the highly anticipated launch of the most revolutionary industrial underwater robot. It packs a bunch of new technology, including C-Sense control system, all-scenario operational system, and HD image transmission system, in order to deliver an unparalleled experience for professionals and enthusiasts alike. This drone can be used for underwater photography, hull and dock inspection, fishery and aquaculture monitoring, underwater emergency rescue operations, scientific explorations. Also, this is designed for pipeline inspections, water conservancy, and hydropower inspection. Everything you name it, Chasing M2S does it all. Hello guys, this is Rick, and today at Chasing Innovation we are very excited to launch our brand new product, which is Chasing M2S. This is our state-of-the-art and brand new underwater drone, which is packing a lot of new tech, and we are very excited about it because it's not been done before in the industry. Chasing M2S weighs less than 5 kg, that is portable and compact. Single person can easily operate and quickly deploy this drone, even though the body is comparably small, but this underwater robot contains strong power to operate. M2S has 97.68 watt-hour battery that can power up to 4 hours of continuous operation. 200 watt-hour backup battery is also optional, which will provide longer duration of operation as well. The battery compartments adopts is open design and is ready to use. With few steps, you can replace the battery and meet the needs of a long time operation. Robust power supply system enables M2S a wide range of operating space with a maximum depth of 100 meters and an operating radius of 400 meters. Operations underwater are always carried out enormous water pressure. That is why M2S has upgraded main cabins and lighting sections, which come with a flagship class airtight waterproof structure. This further enhances the robot's operations no matter how much the depth is. Chasing M2S can be mounted with Chasing own accessories and also third-party accessories such as GoPro and DIY fishing net to accomplish water operations in a smooth way. We have also upgraded this robot with a high-definition visual transmission system, which provides a more clear and direct view of underwater observation. Chasing M2S is capable of taking 4K video and 12 megapixel photos as well. With its 2.3 Sony CMOS lens, it is also equipped with EIS video anti-shake function, which can clearly capture every detail in underwater operation. This color restoration algorithm is especially written to enhance underwater light, physical light routes, and also aids visual identification and traffic system in different environments. This gives the M2S an upgraded image transparency and clarity, which effectively reduces color layering and noise in the image. At 100 meters depth, the sea is incredibly dark. So to counter that, Chasing M2S is equipped with two 2000 lumen LED lights that illuminate your direction of exploration in the depths of oceans. Chasing M2 also comes with a simple and easy to use app to enhance your user experience. On the app, there are multiple options which are designed to help you in every complicated situation which you might face in underwater. It also comes with 64 gigs of stock memory, which is expandable, so you can record and save the underwater adventures as much as you like. M2S also supports live streaming. You can share all the incredible moments you will have with this robot with your family and friends. Last but not least, we want to talk about the C-Sense control system, which is the main upgrade of M2S. So the C-Sense technology in this M2S features a third generation Apex anti-stuck C motor 3.0. But what it does is that it features a unique anti-stuck and magnet protection technology. This tech ensures a smooth power supply and extends the motor lifespan as well, making also sure that M2S is always elevated in any situation underwater. The 8-vector thruster layout of Chasing M2S series features anti-stuck motors, which are employed for previous 3 generations in these drones as well. The translation and the rotation of these motors are independent of each other and support 360-degree omnidirectional movements. This arrangement makes the M2S to easily adapt to various underwater environments. The newly developed Neptune X intelligent flight control system smoothly integrates software and hardware integration for stable underwater flights. This provides precise remote control, consistent flow resistance, and accurate sensor data. CHASING M2S enhances its horizontal and vertical flow resistance capability even in the presence of external forces or difficult operating conditions. CHASING M2S is guaranteed to give you an unmatched underwater exploration experience. This is CHASING M2S, a groundbreaking industrial-grade underwater robot featuring 3 significant upgrades as compared to earlier models. This new robot can be widely used in various industries, such as underwater photography, hull and dock inspection, fishery and aquaculture monitoring, underwater emergency rescue, scientific explorations, water conservancy, hydropower and pipeline inspections. Providing efficient solutions for underwater observation tasks, take CHASING M2S. Explore the unexplored.